going to make a mold of Laurie's leg, and for that I decide if she's going to stand on her tiptoe or her flat foot. If you want high heels, make it tiptoe like I showed, and if you want flat foots, make a flat foot like I'm doing here. And I'm wrapping it in tin foil, and then I'm wrapping a layer of polymer clay around it. This is rolled out on a setting 1 as I want it nice and thick, and I'm just putting in pieces of clay here and there where I didn't have enough, making sure that the part of the leg that I want the mold of is covered. And when I like the result of the leg here, I'm going to cut it open and pull out the leg, place it together again as good as I can before I bake it. When it's cooled down, I am taking out the tin foil of the mold first. Then I'm cutting this open, so I have the mold parts for my inner leg. Then I'm going to take my mold putty and I'm going to put it really good together and place it in the parts here for the leg. Fill out one half of it and the other half of it, and I'm putting a little more in there than there is needed to make sure that it's all fully filled. And then I'm wrapping a rubber band around it to make sure it will stay together, and I'm removing excess mold putty from the form and putting it away for drying up. It has now been lying around for a half an hour and it should be all dried up. So I'm removing the rubber band and opening my mold, taking out this leg mold, and I'm just going to clean it up, removing all these small excess parts here. And there you actually have your mold leg of your doll. This is a tiny bit bigger than your doll itself, but that's fine because that will make it easier for the shoes to go on and off. And don't worry that it's not looking that neat and soft like the leg would have done, because that does not mean anything anyway when you make the boots. This step is optional, you don't have to do that, but I wanted this foot to be for both kind of shoes, for the left and the right side, and for that I had to make it more round on the tiptoe, so I took a tiny bit of mold putty and I shaped the foot a little more like I wanted it to. But again, this is optional, you don't have to do this, so I just wanted to show you how I did this. So that's all there is to this little craft today, and I'm just gonna wish you a happy crafting.